A sudden broken tooth on your heavy-duty machinery can paralyze an entire operation in seconds. Massive replacement costs, devastating downtime leave you wondering, is it the material, or did the heat treatment fail? The hard truth is, early gear failure is often triggered by sudden, instantaneous shock loads that overshoot the material's fatigue limit. In harsh, heavy industries, even a tiny 0.01 mm misalignment creates fatal stress concentration, breeding microcracks at the tooth root. At APMC Transmission, we refuse to use cheap, ordinary steel. Our heavy-duty gears are engineered exclusively from premium fully forged alloy steels like 18 Crenamo 76. After deep carburizing and quenching in computer-controlled atmosphere furnaces, we introduce advanced shot peening. This process injects a powerful layer of residual compressive stress directly into the tooth root, stopping cracks before they can even start. The result? A massive 30% boost in tooth root bending fatigue life. Protect your machinery and your profits. Contact APMC Transmission today for custom heavy-duty gear solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.